Hi, my name's Kev Lavery, and today I'll be taking you through some of the ways that you can personalize your settings, including customizing your profile and adjusting your notification and account settings. Whether you're on the Connect homepage or already within a unit, selecting your name in the minibar will give you access to your notification settings. On a smaller screen, like a mobile, you'll only see your profile icon rather than your name and icon together. First, let's take a look at customizing your profile. To upload and display a profile picture, select Change Picture. For things like uploading a profile picture, you're probably more likely to have suitable photos of you on your phone. So I'm going to log in on my phone and navigate to the profile settings. And then select Change Picture. The steps are basically the same on a computer. The file I'm looking for is on my computer, my phone, so I'll select there. On a computer, you could drag and drop a file into the upload dialog, but as this instruction informs us, that's not possible on a phone, so I need to select Upload to open up my selection options. The best part about doing it on your phone is that if you can't find a suitable picture, you can always just take one with your camera and upload it straight from there. I did a little photo shoot in preparation for this, so I have a few to choose from. I select the one I want, it loads in, and I select Add. This has now been uploaded into Connect. If you'd like to remove your image, select the delete icon. If you'd like to change your profile picture again, select Change Picture and go through the whole process again. If you're happy with your photo, which I am, you can select Save and Close. This image will appear in the minibar, alongside your name on a larger screen, or by itself on a smaller screen. It'll also appear in the My Settings widget and in the class list. Your profile is visible across Connect in all the units that you're enrolled in, so customizing your profile with a personal touch is a great way to establish a connection with your students. Alright, let's take a look at our notifications. You can make adjustments to how you're notified about the various goings-on in units that you're attached to. In contact methods, you can make changes to where your email notifications go. Some people might find they check another email more regularly than their TAFE email, so for them it makes more sense to receive notifications there. Next, the system can email you a summary of the activity in your Connect units. Selecting Daily means that you'll receive a summary of unit activity once a day. Selecting Never means that you'll be able to receive your notifications as soon as unit activities occur, and you can customize which unit activities you'd like to receive email notifications for by selecting the relevant checkbox. For example, you might like to receive an email when there's a new post in a discussion forum. As well as being emailed to you, notifications will also appear as update alerts in the minibar. If you're logged into Connect, you can link straight to the updated item from there. You can also manage your notifications based on the units that you're enrolled in, and exclude some if you need. If you've excluded some that you would like included again, you can always go back into notifications and restore units. Once you've made your updates, don't forget to save your changes. Finally, let's take a quick look at your account settings. Account settings allow you to select a more accessible font or font size, and adjust system settings like turning off the rich text editor to enhance the experience for those using assistive technology. Most of these settings can be left as they are, however, you may want to take a look at the Discussions tab and modify the display and reply settings. It's recommended that you select Always Show the Discussion List pane. This ensures discussion topics are visible at all times when using the discussion tool, and will help navigate between discussion topics. By selecting the Email tab, you can access email options for settings, such as saving a copy of each outgoing message to the Sent Mail folder, or to your listed email address. You can have student replies to messages you've sent set to a specific email address, or add a signature block to your contact details if you prefer. Don't forget to save any changes. Taking the time to set up your profile, notifications, and account settings can help to make a more connected experience for students and to help you allow Connect to work for you and your needs.